OnePlus 10 Pro. OnePlus 10 Pro is a great phone. It has a lot of features that other phones does not have. It's great value for the price. It is a great phone for anyone who wants a high-end phone without spending a lot of money. OnePlus 10 Pro review price. The all-new OnePlus 10 Pro is a powerhouse of a phone, packing the latest and greatest hardware under the hood. But with great power comes a great price tag, and $899. The 10 Pro is not cheap. It is worth price is premium. The 10 Pro features a hug 6.67 inches display, making it one of the largest phone on the market. It's also one of the first phone sport AMOLED plan with a 120Hz refresh rate, making for a smooth and responsive expensive. The display is bright and vibrant, and the aspect ratio is a great for gaming and browsing. Under the hood, the 10 Pro is a packing and Snapdragon 865 processor, 12GB of RAM, and the whopping 256GB of storage. It's a monster of a phone, and it's capable of handling anything you thought at it. OnePlus 10 Pro design. OnePlus 10 Pro is one of the most impressive smartphone on the market. That's to its excellent design. The handset is made for premium materials and it feels great in the hand. The display is absolutely gorgeous, and overall look and feel of the phone in just top notch. The camera is also very good as a battery life. In fact, there's very light to fault with a OnePlus 10 Pro. It's an excellent all-round smartphone, and on that should definitely be on your shortlist. Display. OnePlus 10 Pro flagship smartphone that comes with a lot of features and great display quality. The device is powered by quad-core Snapdragon 865 cheapest and offers a great user experience. The display on the OnePlus 10 Pro is a 6.67 inches AMOLED plan with a resolution 3168 into 1440 pixel. The display quality is excellent and offers great contrast, brightness, and color accuracy. Overall, the OnePlus 10 Pro is a great smartphone and offers a great user experience. The OnePlus 10 Pro's display is a big and impressive AMOLED panel, and the user-second design LTPO technology is integrated. Scale its refresh rate between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. You can also choose between FHD Plus and QHD Plus for your resolution, the former of which savors of battery life. OnePlus 10 Pro review cameras. We put the new OnePlus 10 Pro thought its places, testing out its camera capabilities in a variety of different sensors, where what we found, the OnePlus 10 Pro is a powerful and capable smartphone, and its camera are no exception. The main camera is a whopping 48 megapixel sensor, and its products some really different imaging. Its daylight condition colors are accurate. The details in superb low light and performance is also excellent. Thanks to the large sensor and first appearance, the OnePlus 10 Pro wide-angle camera is also very good. It's not quite as sharp as a main camera, but it still takes great photos, and ultra-wide camera is a fun addition, letting you capture even more of your surrounding is a single shot. Overall, OnePlus 10 Pro cameras is a great. If you are looking for a phone with excellent camera performance, this is definitely one of the consider. Battery and charging. The OnePlus 10 Pro is a great phone with an impressive battery life. It can easily last a full day of a single charge and can even stretch 2 days with moderate use. When it comes time to charge, the 10 Plus supported quick charging, so you can get back to using your phone in no time. Software and special features. OnePlus 10 Pro is one of the most popular smartphones on the market today. It is known for its high-end space features as well as its sleek and styling design. The 10 Pro is packed with top-of-the-line hardware, including the Snapdragon 865 processor, 8GB RAM, and 256GB storage. It also has a beautiful 6.5 inches AMOLED display, OLED display for rear camera, and large 4,4510 mAh battery. On top of that, the 10 Pro runs OnePlus Oxygens, which is based on Android 10 and is one of the clearest and most user-friendly versions of Android you will find. As you can see, there's a lot of like about OnePlus 10 Pro, but what about its software and special feature? Let's take a closer look. Should you buy? If you're looking for a new phone and that want to know if OnePlus 10 Pro is a good option, here's what you should know. The 10 Pro is a great phone with a lot of features, but it may not be a best option for everyone. Here are some thinking to consider before you make me decide. The 10 Pro is a great phone, but it's not perfect. If you are looking for a phone with a great camera, this might not be the best option. The camera is good, but some people have found it's not a disappointing comparison other phones on the market. The 10 Pro is also a great phone, but it's not perfect. If you are looking for a phone with a great camera, this might not be a best option. The camera is good, but some people have found it's disappointing compared to the market. The 10 Pro is also a bit more expensive than other phones, so you can want to make sure you're getting your money worth. If you are looking for a high-end phone with all the bells and whistles, the 10 Pro could be a great option. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to consider another phone. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not buy the OnePlus 10 Pro comes down to your personal needs and perfection. If you are looking for a great phone with a lot of features, the 10 Pro could be a great option for you. But if you are looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to consider another phone.